everyone, I am Elizabeth Pondong and I will be making a 3D bacterial cell as a part of my performance task in General Biology 1, and I would like to show you how I make it. In making a diorama of bacterial cell, I use colored paper, cartoon, yarn, glue, and scissor as my materials. So this is the final output of my diorama bacterial cell, and I'm going to explain to you its part and functions. Bacterial cells are classified as prokaryotes, which are single-celled organisms with a simple internal structure that locks a nucleus and contain DNA that floats freely in a twisted thread like mass known as the nucleoid, or in the separate circular pieces known as plasmids. This green part are called capsule. Capsule contains water which protects the bacteria against desiccation. They also help the cell adhere to surfaces by including bacterial viruses and most hydrophobic toxic materials such as detergents. Some pathogenic bacteria are resistant to phagocytosis, which they have a capsule. This red cord are called nucleoid. A nucleoid is a cytoplasmic region that contains chromosomal DNA. It is not a membrane-bound nucleus, but rather a region of the cytoplasm containing DNA strands. Although a few species have 2 or more chromosomes, most bacteria have a single circular chromosomes that is responsible for their replication. This blue part are called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm or protoplasm of bacterial cell is where the functions for cell growth, metabolism, and replication are carried out. It is a gel-like matrix composed of water, enzymes, nutrients, waste, and gases, and contains cell structures such as ribosomes, chromosomes, and plasmids. The tail of the bacterial cell are called flagella or flagellum. Structures provide a means of locomotion for bacteria that possess them. They can be found on either or both ends of a bacterium as well as on its entire surface. The flagella beats in a propeller-like motion to help the bacterium move toward nutrients, away from the toxic chemicals, or toward the light in the case of the photosynthetic cyanobacteria. Many bacteria have pili, which are small hair-like projections that emerge from the cell surface. These outgrowths help bacteria attach to other cells and surfaces like teeth, intestines, and rocks. Many pathogenic bacteria lose their ability to infect when they lack pili because they are unable to attach to host tissue. Conjugation occurs when 2 bacteria exchange plasmid DNA fragments using specialized pili. These small dots are called ribosomes. Ribosomes are similar to eukaryotic ribosomes but smaller and with a slightly different composition and molecular structure. Bacterial ribosomes are never bound to other organelles as they are in the eukaryotes but are freestanding structure that can be distributed throughout the cytoplasm. The last part of the bacterial cell are cell wall. Cell wall performs several functions as well in addition in providing overall strength to the cell. It also helps maintain the cell shape, which is important for how the cell will grow, reproduce, obtain nutrients, and move. that's it. I hope that you learned something new. God bless you and stay safe. Bye!